Hey class, I'm Mike Pagoni, and today we'll be talking about commas in a series, also known as the serial comma. Let's take a look at this picture here. My heroes are my parents, Superman and Wonder Woman. I'm not so sure. Here's a screenshot from our textbook, A Writer's Reference. It says, use a comma between all items in a series. When three or more items are presented in a series, those items should be separated from one another with commas. Items in a series may be single words, phrases, or clauses. So growing up, we were taught that the second comma in a series was optional. But taking a look here at a couple excerpts from the MLA Style Center, taking a look at the smoothie section. Towards the bottom of the page, it says, without a serial comma placed after peach and mango, it isn't clear if peach and mango is one flavor or if mango and pineapple is. So here's what it says. It says, Leah ordered 3 smoothies, strawberry, peach and mango, and pineapple. A little bit confusing. This is from my problem solution letter. You can see I highlighted in blue. It says, they are nice and smooth, not too tall, and require the vehicle traveling over them to be going less than 20 miles per hour. You can see I went ahead and separated these 3 descriptions with commas. And lastly, this last slide says it all. It says, I like cooking my family and my pets. Use commas. Don't be a psycho.